Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And welcome if you are new. I really do appreciate you. So today I'm going to be doing a jump rope exercise and I'm not going to be editing it, okay? This is just going to be me, doing it. Oh my God. I don't know how this is going to look like, but let's just get right into the video.
Have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on.
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more.
This is the strongest workout I've ever had in recent times. I will do this again and again.